Yeah, we're here at the intersection of Forbes Avenue and Wood Street in the heart of downtown, where the streets are looking pretty decent at this hour. That's headed towards Liberty Avenue here on Wood Street, where you can see that the snowplows have made pretty good progress on this part of the downtown area. Then, as you just mentioned, Shannon, we had a chance to catch up with Mayor Corey O'Connor about the state of the fleet and how they're making out with this pretty strong snowstorm. He says that they've had some vehicles to break down, but then they were back on the road plowing streets. But here's a little bit from the mayor explaining the progress that they've made so far tonight.
I think through the first pass, when we had 95 trucks out, we had lost 4, had to go to the shop. This last round, 4 more did. Some of them got right back out. I think converting some of the other trucks to just support our fleet at the time was beneficial. So now it's just, getting these tools back out there so that the drivers can do their jobs.
Now, having said that, the mayor knows that there will be residents calling in complaining about their streets not having any attention with the snowplows. Here's what he has to say about residents over the next 2 to 3 or 4 days about their streets being taken care of.
I mean, we can see which street got what. So we're going to continue to try to fill in those gaps as we go through as well. And I think it's important for us to have a station like this so that we can say, hey, there's a gap here, nobody's hit this street or these 3 streets. And then we, put as many people on that job as we possibly could.